Hi everyone, I'm Maya.
And I'm Lucy.
For the past 3 weeks, we've had the privilege of working with the nursery in San Juan to help develop a fundraising project to renovate the nursery.
The nursery cares for 36 children between the ages of 1 and 3. Many of their parents work long hours far away on the coast, earning low wages to support their families. For many of these children, the meals they receive at the nursery are the most nutritious meals they'll receive all day.
Because of that, this nursery is so much more than a classroom. It's a place where the children should feel safe, warm, happy and inspired to learn. But unfortunately, that's not the reality right now.
The San Juan nursery sits at 3,400 metres. With broken windows, this means the classrooms are especially cold and dangerous. The children are forced to sit on cold tile floors because there are no rugs or carpets.
There are very few books, learning materials or toys. Teachers often have to teach lessons using a mobile phone because there is no television nor projector available for teaching.
The walls are chipped, the bathrooms are in poor condition, and electrical cables hang from the ceiling, creating genuine safety risks for both children and staff.
Despite these challenges, the teachers show incredible dedication every single day, creating a loving environment with the very little they have.
With your support, we can help change this. Every donation, no matter how small, will help contribute to making this nursery safer, warmer, and a place where every child can thrive.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video and for supporting the children of San Juan. The link to our fundraising page is attached.
Gracias por la visita. Dígame, gracias por la visita.